How to create Among Us account. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Among Us is already installed on your device. If not, you can head over to your App Store or the Play Store and then install it. So once it has been installed on your device, open it. Tap on Allow. Read the terms and conditions of Among Us and then click on I understand. Before you click on anything, one Apple ID will shown to you. It's your own Apple ID that you are connected to. If you don't want to create an account with this Apple ID, then what you want to do is go back and head over to your App Store. In your Apple Store, you will be able to see the account that you are connected to. The account that you are connected here will be shown in the Among Us. So if you want to change your account, you have to change the Apple ID in here. And once you are done, go back to your application Among Us. Once you have selected the Apple ID, click on Continue. After that, follow the on-screen process and then your account will be created successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can create Among Us account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.